Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from exponential equations for the real values of x. So let's get started by considering one product 10 plus square root 99 with 10 minus square root 99. A plus b times a minus b. We can use difference of two squares formula and write 10 square minus root 99 square. 10 square is 100. Root 99 square is 99. Value will be equal to 1. So we can write equation 10 plus root 99 times 10 minus root 99 equal to 1. Now I will divide this equation by 10 plus root 99 both sides. In RHS also we will write 10 plus root 99 in the denominator. Now we will cancel 10 plus root 99 from LHS. So it will be left with 10 minus square root 99 and value will be equal to 1 over 10 plus square root 99. Now if you will see in our equation 10 minus square root 99 is there. So we are going to put this value equal to 1 over 10 plus root 99 in our equation here. So let us put, we will write our equation 10 plus square root 99, power will be x square minus 4 plus 1 over 10 plus square root 99, power will be x square minus 4. RHS is 398. Now I will use substitution. Let's say first exponent 10 plus root 99 with power x square minus 4. This is equal to y. So 1 over 10 plus root 99 power x square minus 4, we will write this as 1 over y, where y cannot be 0. Now we will write our equation y plus 1 over y equal to 398. Now y is not equal to 0. We can multiply our equation by y both sides. Let's multiply. Now we have to simplify. We will write y square plus 1 equal to 398 y. Take all the terms to LHS. We will write y square minus 398 y plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation in y and we are going to use quadratic formula. So let me write formula once. Minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Now if I will write the value of a, b, c as per our quadratic equation with the standard one, then a is 1, c is 1 and b is minus 398. So I will write here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 398, c equal to 1. So y will be equal to minus b. So minus of minus 398 plus minus square root of b square minus 398 square. I can write 398 square. As we know, minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus 4 times 1 times 1, which is 4. And 4 is 2 square. Over 2 times 1 is 2. This will be equal to 398 plus minus a square minus b square. We can use difference of two squares formula and we can write here 398 plus 2 times 398 minus 2. Denominator is 2. Will be equal to 398 plus minus square root of 398 plus 2, 400. 398 minus 2, 396 over 2 will be equal to 398 plus minus. Square root 400 is 20, so I can write 20. Square root of 396. If I will factor 396, I can write 36 times 11. Now 36 is 6 square, so we can write here 398 plus minus 20 times square root 36 is 6 times square root 11 over 2. Now we can divide our numerator numbers by denominator 2. So it will become 398 over 2, 199, 20 over 2 is 10. So we can write 199 plus minus 10 times 6 times root 11. Let me write 199 plus minus 10 times 6 times root 11. Now I can write here y equal to 199 is 100 plus 9. 100 plus 99. Then we will write plus minus sign. And here I will split 6 as 2 times 3. So let me write 10 times 2. And then we have to write 3. 3 we will write square root 9. Then we have square root 11. Now we know that 100 is 10 square. 99 is square root 99 whole square plus minus. We'll club these two square roots and we can write 2 times 10 times square root 99. So if I will write here a square plus b square plus minus 2ab, then in this place we can write a plus minus b whole square. So I can write y will be equal to 10 plus minus square root of 99 whole square. Now this is our y. So I can write here 10 plus root 99 and power is x square minus 4. This will be equal to, with plus sign, 10 plus root 99 whole square. With minus sign, we'll write 10 minus root 99 whole square. So we have two equations. We have to solve both the equations. Let me write first equation. So I will write here 10 plus root 99 whole power is x square minus 1. This will be equal to 10 plus root 99 whole square. Now we know that for two exponents where bases are same, a power c, if this is equal to a power b, from here we can equate b with c. So I can compare these two powers. We will write here x square minus 4 equal to 2. Let us add 4 to both sides. So we will write plus 4 here. Now plus and minus 4 will be over from LHS. We will write x square equal to 2 plus 4 is 6. Now we will consider square root both sides and we will get first two real solutions plus minus square root 6. Now we have to solve second equation. So I will write 10 plus square root 99 whole power is x square minus 4. This will be equal to 10 minus root 99 whole square. Now we know that 10 minus root 99 is 1 over 10 plus root 99. Power is 2. Now I will take our numerator, 1 square is 1. Denominator is 10 plus root 99 whole square, which we will take to the LHS using cross multiplication. So let me write here 10 plus root 99 with power x square minus 4. So I will write here 10 plus square root 99. Then we will write x square minus 4 times 10 plus square root 99 whole square equal to 1. Now we know that a power b times a power c, this is equal to a power b plus c. So I need to write here 10 plus root 99 whole power will be x square minus 4 plus 2 in the exponent equal to 1. And 1 we can write equal to 10 plus root 99 with whole power 0. We know that exponent with power 0 value will be always 1. So I need to compare our exponents. So we'll write x square minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 equal to 0. So from here we'll be getting x square is equal to 2, or I can take a square root both sides and write our third and fourth real solutions plus minus square root 2. So we have in total 4 solutions. Let me write here x equal to plus minus root 6 and plus minus root 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.